Hey folks, hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to talk about a very common digestive issue faced by almost 70% global adult population, that is constipation. Do you experience irregular bowel movements, pass stool once in 2 or 3 days, or pass hard stool? If you experience any of these situations regularly, probably your dietary choices have slowed down your food motility and led to imbalance in your gut microbiome. You must be wondering what imbalance in our gut has to do with slow food motility. Let me explain you this. When our gut is in imbalance stage, we have more of bad bacteria than good bacteria, or more of one species or strain of bacteria. It decays our intestinal cells, it disrupts nutrient intake, leads to slow food motility and hence digestive issues. People who follow high performance diets, such as high protein or paleo diet, which involves a lot of high amount of animal and plant-based protein consumption, such as beef, organ meat, chicken, fish, and even protein supplements, generally experience frequent bloating, gassy, and constipation. What is the reason? Is consuming too much protein playing a spoil sport, or there's something else going on? Let me decode this today. The food we eat is digested by microbes living in a large intestine as well as small intestine, although the proportion of microbes living in small intestine is relatively small. Our body is really dynamic and digests only the amount of food which is required to meet our energy needs. The rest goes through large intestine where 38 trillion microbes metabolize these undigested foods and releases chemicals in the bloodstream that are absorbed by our body. Therefore, a large part of food is digested by microbes living in our gut. The fact is, microbes living in our gut feed on fiber, resistant starch, and hard to digest carbohydrates. They do not know what protein or fat is. When you have your meal, microbes in your gut metabolize them and not only release short-chain fatty acids, which aids in digestion process, nutrient absorption, and regulates our satiety and blood sugar level, but also releases hydrogen and carbon dioxide. However, depending upon your dietary pattern, age, and the amount of non-digestible carb and fiber, the proportion of the release of short-chain fatty acids, hydrogen and carbon dioxide may vary. Ideally, a diet should release only that much hydrogen and carbon dioxide that can be disposed of through breath and flatulence. Gut consists of archaea, different bacteria, and various other microbes. Every individual has a unique proportion of microbiome in his or her gut, and therefore everyone needs a personal dietary intervention that feeds their microbiome what they are hungry for. When we consume a lot of protein in our diet, excess protein moves to large intestine, where microbes ferment this excess protein and release excess hydrogen. Archaea, which is methane-producing microbe, uses this excess hydrogen to release methane in abundance. This overproduction of methane leads to inflammation and gut dysbiosis, which decays intestinal cells, disrupting nutrient uptake, resulting in slow food motility and causing bloating, gassy, and constipation. However, it is not only protein that causes the slow motility and ramp up the methane gas production. If your gut is already imbalanced and has a lot of archaea active, these clever microbes can make methane even from carbohydrates and fats, leading to chronic constipation. Therefore, high archaea representation in our gut and high protein consumption can lead to chronic digestive issues, cause irritable bowel syndrome, and even chances of colon cancer. So what is the solution? We need to understand our unique biology and what food choices can help us improve production of short-chain fatty acids and mitigate the gastrointestinal impact of methane gases. Remember, our body is unique and so is our gut microbiome. By learning what microbes are there in our gut, what functions they perform, and what they produce, we can make dietary changes that can overcome methane gas-related bloating and constipation issues and improve our bowel movements. Our Up the Gut Intelligence solution for digestive disorders provide you dietary recommendations unique for your microbiome that can fend off offenders and pathogens and improve overall gas and methane gas production and food motility. Want to know more? Sign up for a free discovery call by clicking the link given in the description. That's it for today. Have a great day ahead.